They are actually very comfortable on your lip. Guys, how are you? Happy 2021. I hope you guys are doing well. We made it through 2020. Yeah, for today's video, I want to start my first video in 2021 with some lip swatches because you guys really love my previous swatch, Flash Pink punya liquid lipstick. So actually semalam I dapat PR package, and it comes with this box. This is by a local brand. It's from Milky Moon Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful and nice. So I thought I want to share with you my PR, and let's do some lip swatches because you guys seem to love it so much. So we are doing live swatch with all the lipsticks from the Milky Moon Cosmetics. So this is my PR box. It is so cute. I cannot, like, look at that. So in the box it has this card and all of their social media punya details, and there are 6 lipsticks and 1 hand mirror. Guys, the hand mirror is so cute. You guys have no idea how much I love hand mirror. Sebab I rabun, so I need something that is super new to my eyes. I always have my Brina Beauty punya mirror, but now I have a new one. It is so nice. Look at the theme of this brand is very ethereal. It's very like, I don't know, it's my vibe. Look, I have my Wanderlust punya apa tu, ring matches, and I also have matchy eye makeup, purple. Like, when did I ever wear purple? I know. And we have 6 lipsticks, and you guys, korang mesti akan pengsan kalau korang tengok packaging dia, because look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. But there is a name at the bottom of it, and that's it. I'm done. This is totally my shade. Like, I cannot. Okay, you know what? Let's go ahead and do the swatch. Okay guys, I hope you guys like it. This is my swatches on the new Milky Moon Clara soft matte lipsticks. If you guys like this, you can go to their website Milky Moon Cosmetics, and I believe you can also purchase the PR box. And yeah, they are pretty amazing. It comes with 6 lipsticks, the PR box itself, and also a hand mirror. So if you guys like it, you can go to their website. Lightweight, they're very comfortable, and yeah, it does not dry my lips at all. I've been swatching 6 lipsticks and my lips are still. If you guys like it, if you have any question or anything you want to know about this brand, I will put it on the description box down below. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.